You know that this will not be good. This refrigerator is only 8 years old, and it is dead. So now we have, it's a KitchenAid Super Bob refrigerator. I remember a few years ago, the bottom of the freezer, bottom there, it would freeze up all the time, so we had to retrofit something that would keep it from freezing over. Then we had to replace the fan back there. And recently we had to replace the control board. But now the compressor's bad. Yep. This is what happens when we end up buying modern piece of shit refrigerators like this one. Now for KitchenAid, today's KitchenAid appliances especially, this is a brand I highly recommend avoiding because this piece of shit gave us nothing but problems. Nothing but problems. All this trouble we have for the past 8 years. Oh, what does it say here? Energy Star. Bullshit. Bullshit. You fucking piece of shit.